and welcome to this My Reviews video with Diego. I'm going to show you in this video how to configure your Facebook reviews, and that's as easy as setting up My Reviews on your website to start with. As you can see on this video, you can then access the setting panels and you just add to the Facebook icon. On this section, I want to stress how important it is that you should see this login button there. This is a login button provided by Facebook, and it allows My Reviews to gain access to your Facebook profile and pages if you click on it and authorize it. So I'm just going to show you right now how this is going to happen. So if you click on the login button, you'll be presented with a screen that asks you if you want to allow My Reviews to gain access to your profile, friends list and email, and also to manage your pages, as you can see here on the screen. So if you don't authorize that, unfortunately you won't be able to progress through the installation, but if you press OK, you should now see the list of the pages available on your profile. Don't forget, you need to be an admin of those pages if you want to be able to see them. So you won't be able to install My Reviews Facebook pages directly on My Reviews if you are not an admin of a specific page. So if you're working as an agency for a client, please ask your client to become an admin for that page, and then you can select the page, and here you have the reviews displaying on the screen. I also want to make sure that if you don't see, for instance, that login button that is, as we saw earlier on before, you should maybe try disabling plugins on your browser, or if you want to try on another browser. So if you're using Chrome, try to use Firefox, or vice versa. If you're on Firefox, please give a try on Chrome, and you should be able to always install the Facebook reviews. You also want to be aware that sometimes Facebook disables access to our connectivity to your profile, and this is for apparently security reasons. So this is a feature that Facebook forces on to everyone that tries to connect to their resources, and if this happens, we will send you an email that will look just like you can see here on this image, and you'll be able to then go back inside the application. You should just disconnect the page and select the page again, and then once this is saved and published, you should have no problems anymore. I hope this video was helpful. If you don't mind sharing it on your Facebook or liking our page on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, please do so that other people can learn about My Reviews, and thank you for watching.